We are making very delicious vegetable soup with spinach and ugu leaf. 4 parts of spinach, okra, yam. This will serve as breakfast tomorrow. Meat, this is goat meat, and more goat meat, and peanuts for my husband. He likes peanuts, so I bought this one for him. Since I discovered that I can easily get fresh leaves to make my soup, I don't travel to Nigeria looking for fresh leaves to carry to UK. There are so many things I don't carry when I go. So yeah, vegetable is certainly not one of those things. I know some people will say this is not how you do because I'm like feeling this off, but yeah, it's just one side of it, so that it doesn't feel strong in my mouth when I'm eating. I usually buy water leaf in place of this, so I'm using spinach instead in place of water leaf, because when I cook this I like to use water leaf, proper Nigerian sweet vegetable soup. But since I didn't find any, I think they said they usually bring all those things on Tuesdays. Well, I was surprised I didn't get any of those things today. So only ugu leaf, no water leaf. Even the big ones like this, you would think that it's strong, but it's not. It's just super soft, guys. I think I bought the best today. Look how big this is. I just have to cut this. Super soft. Everything is so nice. I think I see a lot of sand on the leaf.